Hello, Tech Buzz, the latest product in from Tronsmart, and it's the Groove 2 waterproof outdoor speaker. Pure, powerful stereo sound, vibrant light modes and crafted design. On the back, we've got IPX7, up to 18 hours of playtime, convenience, carabiner, powerful stereo sound, dual EQ modes and vibrant light modes. And you've got an STC statement there as well if you want to read that. And that's basically what it is there on the box and what it's going to look like there, with their orange handle and purple and white packaging. So let's have a look and see what it looks like. Okie dokie. We'll take off the sticker. Now, I thought it was going to beat me there, but nope. So, of course, if you're well aware of its Tronsmart products, you probably end up losing them. So, first up in the box, we have got, let's see, we'll open up this end here. We've got our 3.5mm cables. We've got our user manual, your carabiner, and of course your charging cable there, USB-C, USB-A, with no branding on the cables. So that's pretty much what you're going to get in there, should you want to know. Now let's have a look at the goods. That's what it's like inside there. Inside. We do need to get rid of that. We have a dog in the house. Okay, so here we go. Nice bit of weight on this and a nice rubber housing all around, with, you've got a tripod mount at the bottom. Nice metal grill up front with the branding on it there. You see you've got these kind of screws as design built in. And again, you can see here on the side, you've got these built in for your carabiner, which you can pop on there. And it's a really solid product indeed. You've got your passive radiator on the back. And up top is all your controls. Nice and simple, but quickly powered on to see if there's any juice going there. So you do have an LED light up front, two of them there. And you've got your music playback buttons here and whatever else you can do with it. You can skip reverse tracks, and it does have lights too, so you can see them changing there. It's a bit bright here at the minute, but you'll see more in the full review when it's darker. And that's it. So it's a nice portable speaker that's IPX7 waterproof, colours on the front, which is cool, so a bit of RGB going on, and basically a really strong solid product, and looks well and very robust indeed. You've got Groove 2 on the back, and in here is where you can put your SD card, your 3.5mm, and you can charge it as well. So you can pop in your SD card if you've got tracks as well, and leave it in there and let it walk away, and use these to control your tracks. And that's a nice little addition as well, having that port in there for your SD card as well. So stay tuned for more after the break. Okay, so it's Jim back with the Groove 2 waterproof outdoor speaker. So I'm going to give you a sound test now, which you will all be looking forward to hearing, because this speaker packs a pretty loud punch, as we said, for its size. And it's a very simple speaker to use, very robust. You can bring it anywhere with you and it gets the job done. You've simple controls up on top. And again, you've got your ports in the back here in your SD slot if you want to put one in. And you can control it from here or from your device, whichever suits you the best. So let's have a little sound sample now, and let's take a listen. So while I was playing there, you got your controls up on top, and you can control your phone calls from here as well, and skip and reverse tracks. So you press for 2 seconds to skip the reverse track and on the plus and minus, which is obvious, and you can also reset it by pressing for 8 seconds on the play button, and you can change your modes by pressing on the play button there. So you'll hold that down and you can swap over for your aux, your Bluetooth, or your whatever input that you want to use, and you've got your play and pause and volume up and down. So pretty simple to use, but the sound off is quite good and quite loud, as you can hear. So that's maximum there now. So as mentioned, you can see it, you can change it from here or your device by simply pressing. Hold for 2 seconds, skips the track. And again, double tap to change modes, play and pause, volume up, down, all simple to use up on top there. Couldn't ask for that and simpler. So that's just an audio sample. Next,
RMS outputs, 3 drivers and 4 passive radiators, patented sound plus sound pulse technology, and all metal shell craft. So that's what the box looks like here. On the back again, it'll just give us some more specifications there. You've got Bluetooth 5.0 and all that kind of stuff. So let's,
and that's one of the Tronsmart's own speakers there, as you can see.
And get into it, and let's see. So you've got a smart app control, convenient voice assistance, Bluetooth 5.0, 15 hours of playtime as well, which is cool. So,
and that's basically it, what you're going to get. And you can see these colours change as well, which is a really nice feature too. And that's pretty much it, and what you're going to get for your speaker here. And again, you can bring it anywhere. It's portable, it's waterproof, it's solid, robust build here, which is really nice. It does look industrial, but it's really nice. But these colours as well are really cool too. Nice metal grille up front, and your passive radiator on the back there. All your parts are in here, and you can put your carabiner up here too if you want to hang it if you need be. So it's a flexible speaker as well. It's portable, waterproof. You've got everything you want in one small package there. So that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video on techbuzzorin.com.